So, what happens when you take some of the world's best athletes and creators and put them on a tropical island for 3 days? Well, we're about to find out. Just made it out to Fiji for this year's GoPro Creator Summit. Straight off the plane, we're about to absolutely rip it on some sea-doos, but we just need to do one quick little wardrobe change. Yeah, we're on, let's go.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", blowing kush smoke out the window. Pockets full of hundreds, no singles. Pockets full of hundreds, no singles. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", cruising down the street in my 6'4". Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
Even though we're here at the GoPro Creator Summit shooting with the new HERO12, I thought it'd be pretty fun to play around with the original GoPro, which is a 35mm film camera. Pretty much a glorified disposable in a housing, except you can replace the film. And do a little comparison on the first GoPro versus the latest GoPro with some underwater photos. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I have been shooting with this for the past couple months. I'm going to make a whole separate video about this camera, but I thought it'd be pretty fun to do some side-by-side comparisons. Let's get it! Whoa, look how clear it is! Sick! Yeah. What's happening right now?
We are at restaurants. Here's a good set. That's a sick wave. That's enough.
Whoa, that's a sick one.
Yeah, chick.
We're out there?
I think so. After seeing that, that got me a little more excited there. We're gonna make the most of it. You can get some clips. It's gonna be fun.
Sure. Yeah, boy.
Floor seats for the Knicks. Couple models blowing hits. They don't even wanna pick. Wanna lick up, wanna. I done made a couple hits. Going hammer with the pick. God handed me the gift. Not the slammer for a brick. Rollie ain't got a tick. I attract a lot of chicks. Getting caught up in the mix. Hollywood, same chick. Didn't know that I was
Hey, what's up?
Did it? Helicopter.
Dude, remember back in like 2017, you could have a helicopter in some slow motion and you were like, you made it, done.
You could retire.
Yeah, I miss those days.
You could literally retire.
Yeah, we should cue one of those shots in.
Insane! Insane!
Alright, straight off the helicopter, pretty insane ride in.
Epic.
Got the little,
Yeah, we're now going ziplining. Woohoo!
love the enthusiasm, we're all about it. Let's get it.
Chris, what kind of redneck engineering is this?
Oh, you know, just real smart engineering here. This thing ain't going nowhere, I'll tell you that.
At the GoPro Creator Summit, they invite some of the best athletes around the world, people who ride skis in the backcountry, surfing 60-foot waves, professional skateboarders, skydivers, and then this guy who rides a T-Rex. Beautiful thing.
Oh, this is just absolutely magnificent. This is just marvelous. I love this. Just nothing like a jacuzzi session with the boys.
Oh, no way. Danny, do that again. Danny found a new hack with the latest GoPro extension pole. It's a great pole for mounting your GoPro, but it also doubles as
A squirt gun. I think it's the best innovation since GoPro Max, to be honest.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
You know how it is, GoPro Creator Summit, we don't get any sleep. It is, I don't even have my watch on right now, it's busy charging. Oh, and there goes my light. It is 12:30 in the morning. I'm about to go to bed, straight out the edit room. But it's a full moon tonight, and the palm trees are aesthetic as all hell. Full moon is right there. I figured I would do a little night lapse, just because conditions are too prime right now. Let's see what we can get. We just got to Mala Mala Island. It is about to go down. Blue water, a bunch of swim throughs right there. Hopefully some waves around the corner. Showtime.
Showtime, baby.
Boola!
Yes, shorty know she fucking with the best. Yes, I keep racks on me, no I ain't stressed. 100 full, so don't do no less. Pull up on the jet, now she impressed. Damn, yeah, shorty know she fucking. Yeah, she calling me like she ain't got no friends. Yo, they sleep on me, they often make me dance. Wake up, nigga. Damn! Yesterday the Bentley trusted in the land. Friday, yes. Shorty know she fucking with the best. Logo shit, I feel like Jerry West. She gon' blow this whistle like a ref.
Mate, what's happening?
I'm gearing up right now. We got one of the local legends, Jim, down there. I'm gonna go see if I can smack a fish for the crew. He said we can start a fire and I guess we can all share it on sunset. There's like all these lush activities, but I'm like, where's the primitiveness of this island?
Keeping it on brand. Freedive crew, let's go. Yeah, me too.
Yay.
Freedive team, we're about to give Alex and Em a tutorial. Show them. Oh, hey neighbor.
At the same time, it wasn't coordinated whatsoever. Yeah.
Holy shit. So insane.
Straight out the water. What are we doing?
We are running, chasing the last ray of sand. Yeah!
To do what?
To jam in the water! Let's jam!
Full send. Let's get it.
You've put it all on the line. It wouldn't be a GoPro event if your life wasn't on the line for the shot. So we want to pay you very well for that.
Beach, we've got the best landscape.
Danny!
The next category for best POV video.
That's a wrap on the awards. Laura and I completely cleaned up. Absolute strangers 3 days ago. We were internet friends before, now real life friends. 2 GoPro awards in the bag. We're gonna celebrate. What's next?
It's time to party!
We have just touched down in Fiji, and what we're experiencing right now is one of the most crazy things I've ever seen in my life. Take a look at this. Look at these creatures right here. Now if you see this one, that's a frisky female heading towards this male right here. Look at this male, he's trying to show off to get her attention.